trade on options on this system, go to Make a Trade in the main menu and click Trade Options. You can buy to open or sell to open. Sell to open is the same thing as writing an option or shorting a stock. Enter the symbol of the underlying stock you would like to trade and select whether it's going to be a call or a put option. You'll also need to choose the expiration date. Basically, the closer to today your expiration date, the more likely you'll find options that have volume. Finally, choose the strike price. Again, to get the most volume, you'll want to choose a strike price the closest to the current market price. The biggest issue you'll always find with trading options is that the volume may not always be sufficient to actually fill any orders. The volume here, if the volume is supposed to be 0 for today, this will still show yesterday's volume. So watch this warning. If this warning is here, you'll need to choose a different strike price and expiration date that has a little bit more volume. So in this case, I'll go out a little bit farther and I'll choose the same strike price. So in this case, I found a combination of expirations and strike prices where I have a volume of at least 1. So here I'll put my quantity as 1, that way I can make sure my order will go through. Click Preview to update my order. I also have the opportunity to take a note with my order and click Confirm to place my order. You can see over here you'll actually have an option payoff diagram showing you where your profit and loss points are for this stock, or for this option. Press Confirm to place your order. If you want to use option spreads, click the Spreads tab at the top of the page. This will load the option spreads tool, which has a lot more complicated methods to place an order. In this case, you'll be placing 2 separate orders at the same time based on the same underlying symbol. If you have questions on how option spreads work, you can use the Help tab to go to our Options Trading Resource Center, or go to About on the main menu and click Contact Us to speak with our support team.